I was on a mission to find the best preserved rose and necklace set on Amazon. I bought both of these, tested them out, saw how they came packaged, and I'm going to tell you everything you could possibly need to know about these, what occasions they are good for, what they look like. They both do light up. You can't go wrong with either one of these, but there are some very unique similarities and differences. This one right over here is going to be the CDCO. This one right over here is going to be the BNWXOY. Let's take a look at this one first right over here. So this one we'll take an overhead look. So how this works right over here. So you just open this up just like this. You see the word love here. This is a real rose. So it is preserved. It will last 3 to 5 years, which is really nice. You don't have to worry about flowers. You don't have to worry about watering it, whether it's going to be around or not. Don't have to worry about anything like that. This box right over here has this little white thing in it. This is going to turn this on and light it up. So you're just going to turn that over just like that. You can see it lit up just like that. Looks really, really nice lit up. You have it all the way around over here. And then, of course, we have the necklace. The necklace is really nice on this one right over here. So you can see right over here, we got a nice little heart in there wrapped with like kind of silver right over there. Just really well designed. Really like the length of this as well. Super sturdy as well, which I really was nervous about. And of course, you could wear this every day if you wanted to. This one right over here also comes with a card. So it says, I love you so much. You could fill that out. If you wanted to like kind of have it stand up just like this, if you wanted to like kind of put it on the table and put it in front of it, you have that option as well. And it also comes in this box right over here, so you could throw that in a gift bag if you wanted to, or you could wrap it or do whatever. So we're going to take a quick look at the next one, and then we'll kind of do a pros and cons list, of what would be like the better fit for you. These are going to be great for birthdays, anniversaries, Valentine's Day. So let's take a closer look at this one right over here. So this one right over here, you got this right over here. This says right over here, I love you. Right in nice letters right over there. And then it opens up right over here. So same thing as the other one right over here. You could turn this on just like that, and it lights up really, really nicely. This is a real rose as well. They did do special treatment to it. So it will last 3 to 5 years. And then this one also comes with a necklace. This necklace is a little different. This one does not have like the red, but we'll go over that in a second. So that's what this necklace looks like right over here. And this one right over here kind of has the full deal right over here. So you could easily, it comes with a built-in bow right over here. So you could literally just tie this up, go like this, and tie it just like that, and now you have a built-in bow. It comes with this card as well. It says thank you for being you, and then you also have this bag, so you don't have to worry about anything. This does fit really nicely in the bag as well. It did look a little small when I first got it, but you'll see right over here it just fits right in there just like that, and you are good to go. So now let's go over some of the main differences between the two of these. So this one right over here, I'd say one of the main differences is this one comes with the gift bag right over here and the built-in bow. This one right over here just comes in this box right over here. So you need to put a bow or get a bag or do whatever you want to do with that. So I think that's one of the main differences. A real obvious difference right over here. This one is going to be square, and this one is going to be a circle. The inside of these boxes are a little different as well. This one says love on it. I kind of do like how that looks. This one, the text is kind of like over here. I think having this open on display looks really, really nice. They both light up. They're both going to last 3 to 5 years, which is nice. The definitely a bigger of one of the bigger differences is definitely the necklace on both of these. This one, I would say the red one right over here, the BNXY why? This one I think is a little nicer, to be honest. I really do like the red. Both of these also do come in different colors, different setups. And this one right over here, um, kind of has just this white kind of thing going on over here with the necklace over there. Overall, you cannot go wrong with either one of these. It's really just going to come down to choice. They're both going to last 3 to 5 years. The necklaces are both sturdy, strong, good for everyday use. This is kind of what they look like. I do think maybe this one looks a little nicer, kind of opened up because you have the love right over there. But then you also have this one right over here that kind of has I love you so much. So it kind of depends. Like if you have this like sitting on a stand or something, you could definitely see that. Maybe if this one was flat, you're not really seeing the love. But again, can't go wrong with either one of these. I would say if you are kind of into, I want everything done for me, the bow, the package, the bag, that's going to be the main difference. And the CDCO would probably be for you. If you don't really care and you just want this box and you're going to put a bow on it or put it in a bag, this one would be for you. Again, both are really well made. So yeah, I hope you found this video review helpful and you get the right preserved rose for you. Both of these are awesome.